Hey guys, thank you for watching Pixel 2 program. Welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about control statements in C. In control statement, we discuss about if statement, and in previous video we discussed about operators. So we completed operators. So now next we will discuss about control statement in C. And so let's start. So if statement in C. The if statement is used to execute a block of code only if specified condition is true. So in if statement, there is a condition. So if the condition is true, then it will execute the block of code. Think of it as a fork in the road or for your program. If the condition is met, it takes one path. If not, it can simply move on or follow an alternate route with else or else if statement. Like think of a fork on the road. If the condition is met, the it takes the one path, and if not, it simply moves to another path. So let's take an example like your mother has son or daughter, and their age, if their age is greater than 18, greater than equal to 18, then they are age eligible for vote, and if less than equal to 18, less than 18, then it is he or she is not eligible for vote. So in each condition, there is always a condition. Based on the condition, the block of code will execute. So this is syntax if a condition, second bracket, in second bracket, the code to execute if the condition is true. The next slide, basic code example. Let's start with a simple example. Suppose we want to check if a number is positive or not. So we have to do the code. So in this program, we will declare an integer number with the value 10. The if statement checks whether the number is greater than 0. Since it is the code inside the block runs and the message, the number is positive, it is printed. It will be printed. So let's go to the compiler and let's write this program. So there I write int number equal to 10. And if number greater than 0, okay, then printf the number is positive. Then return 0. Then run. Let's see. So the number is positive. For 10, it is positive. For 41, it will give also positive. Yeah. Oh. So how the condition works? At the core of the if statement in this is the condition. In C, any expression that evaluates a non-zero value is considered as true, while 0 is false. For example, if 5 is true and if 0 is false. So if it is 0, then it will give false. If the condition is 0, it will give false. If there is non-zero value, then it will give true in its statements. For example, if 5 is true and if 0 is false. In graphical overlay, we can say the non-zero element is giving true and 0 is giving false in if statement. So more real world example, imagine you are creating a program to check if a user has enough credits to purchase an item. And here's how you might use an if statement to handle the decision. So in this example, the condition is credits greater than equal to cost. Checks if the user has enough credits. Since 15 is greater than or equal to 10, the purchase goes through and the message is printed. So let's do that program. So in credits equal to 15, after that int cost equal to 10. So cost is 10 and credit is 15. Okay. Then after that, we will write the if condition. So if credits greater than equal to cost, okay, then printf purchase successful. Slash in for next line. Let's check the output. Purchase is successful because credits is 15 greater than equal to cost. So the condition is true. So it will print purchase is successful. To summarize, the if statement is simple yet essential tool in C programming. It helps your program to decide what to do next based on the conditions. So the if statement is the simple decision making statement. We also know that, and it is used to decide whether a certain statement or block of statement will execute or not. If a certain condition is true, then the block of statements is executed, otherwise not. So keep conditions simple and readable. So keep the conditions simple and readable. Always use braces for clarity. Second bracket for clarity. Even the if the block has one statement, even if there is even if there one statement, you have to give the braces for clarity. Test edge case to ensure your condition works as expected. Test the cases that your condition is work as expected or not. So for today, this is the if statement. In next video, we will discuss about if else statement. So thank you for today.
For more coding tutorials, subscribe to Pixel to Program.